Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you can swipe left and right, like this, to scroll through the pages. We have 3 of them. Now, find the airplane mode icon. It's this one, looks like an airplane. And to enable the mode, simply tap on the icon. It should say airplane mode, and also the icon should change the color to bluish or get highlighted. And you should see also the icon of airplane next to the battery. This means that the airplane mode is enabled. If you go back to watch face, you should also see the airplane mode icon on the watch face to indicate that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the panel again, scroll through it, tap on the icon to disable it, like this, and then you can go back. You can also enable and disable the airplane mode via the settings. So we can open the settings by swiping up on this home screen to open the menu, scrolling through the menu, finding the settings icon, tapping on it, then look for the option called connections, select it, and here scroll down, find the option called airplane mode, and to enable it, tap on the switch to flick it on, and to disable it, tap on the switch to flick it off, like this. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.